Indomie. I say the pack is the guy.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Uncle, I enjoy you know. Uncle, what are you eating now?
Indomie belefu.
Indomie belefu. Please let me join you now.
No.
Only one spoon.
I say no.
Uncle, there's what they taught us in our school today about fruit. Uncle, let me show you. You see that pawpaw tree that is there? The pawpaw. The botanical name is Carica papaya. That pawpaw tree.
Carica papaya. What about the orange?
The orange is Citrus senesis.
What about the banana? That banana right here.
Okay, the botanical name is Musa acuminata.
Jesus is Lord.
Good luck. What about the botanical name of Indomie?
What? Jesus.
Good luck. What happened to this Indomie?
Scientifically, with my observation, the Indomie evaporated.